In the video, you can see a Chinese zodiac-inspired tiger boy that I made from rough sketch to refinement step. I also created the time-lapse on the Clip Studio Paint written tutorial. Ctrl-Shift-T to transform your sketch into free transform mode. Oftentimes, I use this method to make my drawing more interesting to look at. A fake perspective distortion is a good addition to the whole design. I use the lasso tool to select an area of my tiger's arm, then use transform again to rotate and adjust the arm to fit my need. I continue my sketch to the point it's good enough as a draft before I refine the whole design. Next, with a new layer on top of my draft, I use Real Pencil to redraw the lines. Please skip this step, as you might have a different setup of your character design. Go to Edit, View, find Grid or Ruler bar settings, then, you can adjust the size of the gap and the number of divisions. Experiment with each setting. How big the gap will be depends on how easily you need to position your character on the canvas. Also, remember to set the start point of your grid for the center. By doing so, you'll get the whole image centered precisely. Once the refinement done, I'll be moving to proceed into another step, inking. It would be best to have a graphic tablet when inking. Using a mapping pen is sensitive to pen pressure, so press it lightly whenever you need to create a clean line.